Another day, another English lesson. Emphatic do, does, and did. Have you ever wanted to show someone that you're sure about something? Or maybe you wanted to correct them politely? Or say something with more feeling? In English, we sometimes add the words do, does, or did to a regular positive sentence. This doesn't change the basic meaning. It just makes the sentence stronger, like turning up the volume. Let's look at some natural conversations. These are examples of how native speakers use emphatic do, does, and did. 1. To correct someone. A. You don't like spicy food, right? B. Actually, I do like it. I just don't eat it often. Here, B is politely correcting A. Do shows that the speaker feels sure and wants to make it clear. 2. To show strong feeling or emotion. A. Are you sure you want to come with us? B. Yes, I do want to come. I've been looking forward to it. Here, B adds do to show excitement and enthusiasm. 3. To emphasize contrast or surprise. A. He said she didn't help at all. B. That's not true. She did help. She stayed for 2 hours. Here, did help shows contrast. B is giving new, stronger information that goes against what A said. 4. To sound polite but firm. A. You didn't read the instructions? B. I did read them. I just didn't understand part of them. Here, B isn't angry. They're just being clear and honest, and using did helps them sound firm but calm. Final tip. Emphatic do, does, and did are usually used in speaking, especially in everyday conversations. They help you sound more natural, more emotional, and more confident. It's like underlining your words when you speak. Now watch and add emphatic do, does, or did in the correct places in the sentences. Change the verb as necessary.
This old car doesn't run anymore.
It does run. I just drove it yesterday.
You didn't call me last night.
I did call you, you didn't answer.
Your sister doesn't like animals, right?
She does like animals. She has 3 cats.
They said we don't need to wear uniforms today.
We do need to wear them. It's photo day.
Did you forget to do the homework?
No. I did do it. I just forgot to bring it.
Are you sure he wants this job?
He does want it. He talks about it every day.
I thought she didn't go to the meeting.
She did go. She arrived right at the end.
You don't eat breakfast in the morning, right?
I do eat breakfast. I just eat it at my desk.
Are you really coming to the party?
Yes, I do want to come. I already bought a gift.
Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more lessons.